Okay, Stephanie, go right ahead.
Hi, everybody. Hi. Yeah. Okay, cool. I am Stephanie Marks. I'm a web developer at UL, also known as Underwriters Labs. We're a 122-year-old safety testing and certification company, but that has nothing to do with my talk. This is a talk about Geocities. Yeah. Yeah, oh yeah. So show of hands. Can you raise your hand if you were alive in 1996? Oh, good, thank you. This will make this a lot easier. And can you raise your hand if you've ever heard of Geocities? Yes, you are my people. Hello. Okay, cool. So there are a few things. This slide isn't gonna work. This slide doesn't work. Hold on. Yeah. All right. Much better. Okay, so things you need to know about Geocities if you haven't heard of it. It was a web hosting service that was founded in 1994. Yahoo acquired it in 1999. At one point, it was the third most visited site on the web with 38 million user-built pages. Pretty cool. Shut down in 2009. So, my personal story. Putting up my awful, garbage-looking websites on Geocities was key to me becoming a web developer and actually getting paid money to make crappy websites. And this Geocities-era design has a special place in my heart. And I've realized that there are a bunch of lessons we can take from this design style, and I wanted to share them with you. So, first, I wanted to remind you of actual, real, live Geocities sites. These all come from the 1 terabyte of kilobit age Tumblr, and they're all grabbed from this huge data grab from Geocities before it went down. So here's one good example. Yeah. Under construction, top of the page, cool group. I love it. Here's another one. Rich D's home on the web. There's a hit counter that's broken. Yes. And one more with Comic Sans. It's got this cute picture of a lion. Adorable. Okay, so you know what I'm talking about now. Geocities design. Some people call it brutalist web design, which is so cool. There's a Tumblr devoted to it. Okay, that's not this talk. Go look at it. So, what are those key things about Geocities design? What can we learn? 1, hit counters. Yeah, okay, so you visit the site, you see the hit counter increment, and before I knew what JavaScript was, I thought this was magic. It was the coolest thing. You see that hit counter, you feel like you're less alone as a user. Someone else looked at this garbage website besides you. So we don't do this anymore, I don't think we do, but now we use things like a like button or an upvote or tweet this, whatever. But they do the same thing. They make the user feel less alone, more included, like somebody else thought our garbage websites had value. Yeah, okay, next, what's another Geocities thing? Under construction banners. Yes. These showed you that the site wasn't finished, that you shouldn't judge it too harshly, because it was still under construction, man. I mean, look, I got a banner, I got a koala digging a hole, come on. It made it feel like it was okay to be updating your website. As long as you said under construction, you could change it as much as you wanted, to be tweaking it all the time. Yeah, oh, someone's applauding that. Okay, cool. I don't know about you, but tweaking my website all the time sounds like constant iteration. It makes me think of Agile. It makes me think of when I go on some site and some lovely designer has made some tiny little change, and thanks to under construction banners on Geocities, I think that that's okay. All right, one more, and I think this is gonna be controversial. Comic Sans. Yes. Oh, someone's booing, good. Comic Sans, the most hated font of all time. Comic Sans is a casual but legible font that would have made your Geocities site look friendly, yay, but not too serious. We accomplish this now, mostly not with Comic Sans, but with things like clean and simple fonts that don't have too many serifs, nothing too serious. Big hero images of people using the product, friendly-looking line art, cute little characters. They make people feel at home, like they're welcome, like this is a safe site to be on, just like Comic Sans did on Geocities. Whoa, Crazy. Fun fact, since I have a few extra seconds, Princeton did a study in 2010 involving presenting students with text and changed the fonts to try to see if they would remember more or less information. They found that if they used Comic Sans or other really ugly fonts, people remembered more information than if they used Arial. What? Whoa. I have been and will continue to be Stephanie Marks. My Twitter handle is Sublime March. My website is stephaniemarks.com. Thanks for listening to me talk about crappy websites.
All right.